Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. Instagram has made it easy to unfollow anyone on your following list if they unfollow you. You can do so from your following list or the user's profile. This approach allows you to find and unfollow those who have unfollowed you once you follow them back. Here's how to unfollow someone without leaving your profile. Open the profile and navigate to your followers list. Scroll down the list to check if the user's name in questions appears. If the user isn't on the list, you can open your following and click on the unfollow button next to their name. If you do that, you'll no longer see their posts in your feed. By default, Instagram shows a list of accounts you frequently interact with and a separate list of people that rarely appear on your feed. Therefore, concentrating on the latter can be an excellent strategy to determine whether someone has followed back. Someone that shows up in the list interacted with category doesn't mean they haven't followed you. The user may be in the category simply because they haven't been active on Instagram. The problem with this approach is that you may have to memorize the user's name you're searching for before scrolling down the list and following users from their profile. Suppose you don't want to memorize names and keep going back and forth between your following and followers list to single out those that haven't followed you. Another method involves accessing their profiles since you can conveniently open them and find out if your name is on their following list. Here's how to do it. Visit the follower's user profile and open their following list. Scroll down and search for your name. Alternatively, tap on the search bar at the top and type your name to run a quick search. And if your name isn't on the list, that user hasn't followed you. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.